Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Canva with Pinterest at 2026. So at first you will need to know that Canva supports scheduling and posting pins directly to Pinterest from its content planner, similar to how it connects with other social networks like Instagram, Facebook, etc. So to use this, you will need at first to open the canva.com in your browser or desktop app and create or finish your Pinterest design. So you need to use a good format or a format that Pinterest supports, okay? And after you finish, just go ahead and click on share button that's located on the top right corner, and after that just go ahead and click on schedule option, okay? So it requires the Canva Pro or Canva Teams. Alright, so this opens the content planner, and in planner you will need to click date and choose Pinterest as the channel. Then just sign in to your Pinterest business account and grant permissions. So after granting it, you will need to add your board, description, and schedule time. Then just hit schedule or done. And Canva's native scheduling works best with Pinterest business accounts. If you have a personal Pinterest account, you may need to upgrade to a business account first. And once connected, you can schedule pins ahead of time without leaving Canva. So, I should tell you that some users have reported occasional limits or glitches with Pinterest scheduler and Canva, like board limits, which may require reconnecting the account. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.